You can also manually travel through a design to preview the way a design will stitch. First, you must change to Design View by deactivating Artistic View. Next, select Escape and then the Home key on your keyboard. That turns the design dark. You may travel color by color or object by object using the icons in the Travel Toolbar. First, let's select Object. When I press the Travel Forward, the software will travel one object at a time. If I want to go backwards through the design, I can press the left arrow key and go back one object at a time. If I want to travel by color, I'll select the Jump by Color and use the forward arrow key to travel forward through the design and the Travel Backward key that points to the left to travel back color by color. The last icon in the toolbar will either jump to the end of the design or it will jump to the start of the design. So you can use this instead of the Home key to turn the design black. To select stitches for editing, you can go to the Edit toolbox and select Stitch Edit. That will highlight this first icon in the Travel Toolbar, which is called Select While Traveling. So when I activate that and travel object by object, the objects are going to turn pink, and I may delete them using the Delete key on the keyboard and delete the objects one by one. And I can skip beyond the ones that I don't want to delete. You can also travel stitch by stitch through a design using the keys on your keyboard. So again, I'm going to press Escape and then Home. That takes me back to the beginning of the design. And I can use my right arrow key to travel one stitch at a time. I can use the down arrow key to travel forward through a design 10 stitches at a time. The up arrow key will travel back through the design 10 stitches at a time. And the left arrow key will travel through the design one stitch at a time. So traveling through a design in this way gives you more control of how fast the design will stitch on the screen. And it will also allow you to make changes to the design as you travel.